Are you missing the Appverifui UI DLL, threatening a critical OS failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. This DLL file is the user interface library for the Windows Application Verifier. It provides the visual console that developers use to select tests for identifying subtle memory corruption and security vulnerabilities in apps. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc standard. Scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like the Appverifui UI DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Appverifui UI file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Most individual downloads of the Appverifui UI DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're addressing the Appverifui UI inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Windows SDK from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.